When you're flexing, you can see the mud coming off the side of the truck. Getting pretty real. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can I come in?
Yeah.
Awesome. Looking for a demo. When you're flexing, you can see the mud coming off the side of the truck. Getting pretty real. Oh, wow, this is a deep. Is this an Excursion?
Yes, sir.
Man.
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here? I do YouTube videos.
Jhonny Pinson, Claxton, Georgia.
All right. And what all is your equipment?
Salt AK, F2, XS Power 2700s,
Okay.
4X Sundown 12s, and that's it.
Nice. What is it wired to?
Half.
Half volt?
Yep.
Is it a 14, 12 volt system or?
It's a 14, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Standard.
And the ports in the back?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm still equipped with stuff.
What frequency do you peaking at?
42.
42? Okay.
Yeah, I really like 42.
Can I see the port roll in the back? Nice. Thank you for showing me.
Yeah.
Woo. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Jhonny's system he showcased at the Jacksonville show summer showcase in 2021. Really impressive to see how loud this 12-inch subwoofer box build got in this Excursion. I actually was seeing mud falling off before I got in the truck, and I had to come get a demo, and you'll see some good outside flex as well with that. Pretty impressive. Never really see a 12-inch subwoofer box in an SUV like this. Most people would have gone 15s with this much space, but he got the job done with 4 12s instead of 4 15s. Really optimal amount of cone area to port area. So subwoofers up, port back seems to be the loudest I've always seen in SUV style systems like this. And he has a box right at the window line, so he can compete if he ever does SPL at the window line and down. Really impressive to see how much subflex he's got. And he had a really good beefy electrical system to support this 8,000 watt amplifier. So if you haven't already, I really look forward to showing y'all daily videos on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already with the notification bell. And enjoy this car audio based demo tearing up his Excursion. All right, awesome, man. Love to hear it. Demo.
What frequency do you peaking at?
42.
42? Okay.
Yeah, I really like it.
Thank you for showing me.
Yeah.
You have a good day, man.
Yeah, man.
Good demo.